In the heart of Kathmandu, where life moves fast and the streets never seem to rest, there is a hill that rises above the chaos, a place where the noise slowly fades away, a place where prayer flags dance with the wind, and where centuries of history quietly watches over the valley. Welcome to Swayambhunath Stupa, a sacred sanctuary of peace. Locals often call it the Monkey Temple. With every step toward the temple, the city sounds fades a little more. The honking traffic, the busy markets, the endless rush of urban life, and slowly something else takes its place, calm. As you climb higher, monkeys leap across the railings and ancient statues silently guard the path. At the top, the view opens up to the entire valley. From here, Kathmandu looks different, quieter, almost peaceful. Colorful prayer flags stretch across the sky, carrying prayers and blessing with every moment of the wind. For many, this moment feels like stepping into another world, a sacred space floating above the city. At the center stands the great white dome of the stupa. Above it, the all-seeing eye of Buddha graze calmly in every direction. These eyes symbolizes wisdom and awareness, watching over the valley and reminding visitors to look inward. Every day, hundreds of pilgrims walk slowly around the stupa, spinning prayer wheels, whispering mantras, and lighting butter lamps. Visitors can see a beautiful mix of Buddhist and Hindu traditions living side by side. This harmony reflects the spirit of Nepal itself, a country where different beliefs often share the same sacred spaces. In a city full of movement, noise, and constant energy, this ancient hill reminds us that peace is never too far away. This is Swayambhunath Stupa, a place where history, faith, and peace comes together above the heart of Kathmandu.